Hi, my beautiful girls. Welcome back to my channel. 2026 is near to us, and it's time to make your 2026 vision board. Research shows that visualizing your goals can actually help you achieve them faster. A vision board is more than just a collage. It's a powerful tool to keep you focused and inspired every single day. Okay, my beautiful girls, now let's see how to make a vision board that actually change your life. For making a vision board, you can take a board, paper, or just your editing app. Then divide the paper into 4 focus area. The first area for personal growth, second one for health, third one for career, fourth one for relationship. Then set 2 or 3 targeted goals in each area. Like I want XYZ income from my job in 2026. Then gather images and arrange them. You can make the board more cute/aesthetic. Just put cute images digitally or on a board. I want to show you some vision board pictures for idea. Set your vision board as your wallpaper, or place it somewhere you can see every day. Align your daily decisions with your dream self. Bonus tips: mistakes to avoid while you make a vision board. 1. Don't set too many goals. 2. Break these goals into actionable steps. 3. Revisit and update your vision board if needed every 4 months. 4. Know the difference between ambition and reality. 5. Don't messy or disorganize the board, keep it simple. Okay, my beautiful girls, now you can learn how to make a vision board that change your life. It's your sign to make a vision board that make your ambition into reality. Manifest your dreams in 2026 and create your dream self. Okay, girls, see you in another useful video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.